Alright guys, now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Yo, 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 yo. What's up, what's up, what's up? Chef Young D right here. If you want to see how I prepare this very delicious curry beef recipe, just stick around now. I will show you right after the break. Alright, welcome back guys. As you can see from my thumbnail, today I'll be preparing a very delicious curry beef recipe. Alright guys, so right here I have 2 pounds of beef stew, right? Also I have 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 tablespoon of spicy steak seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and I also have some green seasoning I went off camera and prepared, right? So all I did was to blend some onion, scallion, garlic, thyme, pimento seed, and scotch bonnet pepper, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my all-purpose seasoning, my steak seasoning, my black pepper. And if you guys wondering where the curry is, actually, I'm not adding the curry to the beef, right? I'm going to burn the curry. So you see that later. Also, I'm going to add my green seasoning. Now, I'm going to go ahead and mix it all together. And guys, as usual, this is smelling very delicious, very lovely. You can smell all the herbs, all the spices, everything that's combined, right? Alright guys, so I'm just gonna leave this to sit and marinate for about half an hour before I start the cooking process. Alright guys, so now that my meat has been marinated, I'm just going to go ahead and finally chop 3 cloves of garlic. Right, so I'm just pressing it to the side of the knife just to get the skin off. Right, I'm just going to finally chop it. Alright guys, I'm actually going to use the garlic to burn my curry. Right, it gives a nice flavor when you burn the 2 of them together. Right, alright, this is good enough. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm gonna add my garlic, and I'm just gonna saute until the garlic becomes golden. Make sure you don't overburn the garlic, because nothing worse than tasting burnt garlic, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my curry, and I'm using 2 tablespoons of curry right here. Stir it around a bit, and guys, make sure you don't overburn the curry. Nothing tastes worse than burnt curry, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my beef. I'm just gonna stir it around a bit. Alright. Guys, this is smelling magnificent. Wow. You want to smell the aroma in the kitchen, man. The kitchen that bursts with flavor right now, guys. Alright, so now I'm going to add about a cup of water, and I actually rinse the remaining seasoning out, right? Guys, you want to smell the aroma in the kitchen. I can't stop talking about it. Wow, yo, the kitchen, wow, man, I tell you, it smell like the beef can't eat, like not cook yet. Tell you. Alright, so I'm just going to cover it up and allow it to cook. And guys, just keep adding water to it. Do not let it burn, right? Each time the water dry down, just pour more until the meat is tender. Alright guys, so after cooking my beef for over an hour, right? This is what it's looking like now, right? And I'm just gonna do a little bit of re-seasoning, right? So right here I have 2 carrots and an Irish that I actually went off camera and peel. Also I have a half an onion. Alright, this half of onion is from the green season that I made, right? I use half in the green season and I have the remaining half right here. I'm just gonna add it to the curry, right? So first I'm gonna start by dicing my carrot. And guys, you can cut the carrot in any shape or form you want, right? It doesn't matter. It's not like it's gonna make it taste different or nothing like that, right? So I'm just gonna slice it slant. Right, push this aside. And for my Irish, I'm just gonna cut my Irish in some cubes. Right. Also for my onion, right, I'm gonna cut my onion in some cube as well. And you can cut it in any shape you want. This is just the way I want it, right? Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add my vegetables, right? My onion, and I'm just gonna stir it a bit. I'm gonna also taste it to see if it needs any salt, because you notice when I'm seasoning my meat I don't add salt, because I'm actually waiting until the meat is almost cooked to see if it needs any salt, right? Yes, this is perfect. It don't need any more salt, right? The seasoning is just enough for it. Alright guys, now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Alright guys, so here are the finishing product of my curry beef. Alright, look delicious, right? Taste delicious too. I wish you all be tasting this right now. Wow, nice. Alright guys, I'm actually serving with some white rice, some mac and cheese, and some red Swiss chard. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little taste test for y'all. First I'm gonna start with the beef. Wow, guys, very flavorful, very flavorful, trust me. This is heaven right here. Wow. Irish potato. Magnificent. Magnificent. Let me try some of the chives now. Nothing but good food. Nothing but good food. Trust me. Let me show you what I want for the beef, you know. Yeah, look a close up. Watch out, guys. See what I want, so? Watch out. Wow. Stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. You need to try this. Trust me. Curry beef is the bomb. Wow. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna finish mine off camera, right? So we catch up on next time. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Just hit that notification bell below to keep up to date with all the latest video each and every week. So until then, take care. I'm out.